So you talk about me.
Well, actually, today is my 13th year wedding anniversary. I was supposed to do some of my wife, but this dude here, he's the brother. I love so much, and I said my wife and myself will come straight today with him. I tell you, I'm not regretting it because the movie is worth it. It's fantastic. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
So don't use this opportunity not to spend money on.
You are watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.
Tomorrow, both of you should go to Dubai. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, best dressed male. I'm here, sir. Derrele, where you at? Derrele, where you at? Where you at? Oh yeah, come out to the come out to the fridge. Wow. Can I have a round of applause for him? Now, gentlemen of the camera, we're all going to sit down. Do you understand? Let's not sit down in the front row because we're too close. The traditional thing is for them to take a bow and we clap, but we've never done that. So let's move to the chairs. Let's move to the chairs. We are not moving here. Please, let's move. Let's do the right thing. Thank you. Cast. You are hiding behind. There has to be a long line. A long line. Okay? Because you must only get a cabo segment. You go go Kagu segment. Not to lose it. Where's the relay? Come. Relay kilo kosio. Wait, quickly.
Bring your Shukao.
Thank you very much. I am honored. I'm very honored.
Can we have a speech, please? Come on, stage. You're a very useless boy. I'll show you later. I want to go.
Lakatabu will deliver it spiritually to us.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
pass it to my house.
Is there anything you want to say? So, ladies and gentlemen, after 3, we'll take a bow and I'll shout Lakatabu. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Out in the cinemas, right? What's the hashtag? Hashtag Lakatabu. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your enemies, tell your landlord, tell your tenants, tell that girl that is hiding you. God bless you. Thank you very much for coming out. And all the best of the cinemas.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anthony, I'll try that.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you to all the cast and crew. Mr. Sojo.
Yes.
Where is Mr. Sojo? Sojo. A round of applause for our editor. He's the editor. He's the DOP. He's the coordinator. He's everything. Mr. Sojo Adegoke. So I can't be mentioning everyone one by one, you know. So thank you, Lino. Thank you, Tune. Thank you, Sistani. Thank you, Tamo. Thank you, Ayo. Thank you, Lakatabu guys. Everyone. Thank you so much. And our best shooter, the real outflower. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Aduni Ade. Thank you so much, brother.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, see you at the cinemas. God bless you. Have an amazing night. Safe journey back home.
June 20th.
After 3, we shout Lakatabu Osha. 1, 2,